It's not that we don't want to develop new habits, it's that new habits are hard to develop. Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and here I have a great tip to help you become consistent with your hair care routine to help you achieve your hair care goals. But first I want to say that today is day 6 of my curls. Take a look at the status and the state of my curls. I'm actually going to Cowboy Carter this evening. I'm actually waiting for my ride and I decided, you know what, this is a good video topic that I should touch upon so I can be productive while I wait for my ride. So if you're on my email list, then you might have already seen this tip. And if you're not on my email list, be sure to join. You can easily join. Check the link down in my description, or you can go to my website, KeishaCharmaine.com, and scroll all the way to the bottom and sign up on the homepage. So you already have daily habits. I'm sure there are things that you do every single day. A lot of you have your morning coffee. A lot of you shower every day and you moisturize your skin every day before you get dressed, right? So one surefire way to ensure that you implement your hair care routine and be consistent with it is by pairing your current daily habits with your hair care habits. For example, if you are trying to start taking your hair, skin, and nail supplement by Keisha, for instance, but maybe you're not very good at remembering to take supplements. I bet you remember to take your morning coffee every day. Maybe if you keep your supplement bottle right next to your coffee maker, or maybe in your cabinet next to your mugs, that will help you to remember to take your supplement every single day. Another example, maybe you want to incorporate scalp massage because you are interested in accelerating your hair growth. As you know, stimulating blood flow to your scalp is a surefire way to encourage hair growth. So maybe you want to massage your scalp more often. You take a shower every day and you massage your body with your lotions or your oils. Right after you finish oiling your body, you can oil your scalp. Keep in mind that adding oil to your scalp every day will be excessive, so definitely don't use oil every single time. But maybe keeping your horsetail leaf growth oil bottle next to your body oil bottle might help to remind you to massage your scalp, even though you're not using oil every single time. You see, this is all psychology here. Maybe you want to incorporate a new habit of misting your hair daily, becoming more consistent with your moisturizing routine. Maybe you spray your body daily with your favorite fragrances. Perhaps keeping your hair mist next to your perfumes or your body mist and things like that will help you to remember. I just came up with that idea because I have my rose water moisturizer right here and I have some fragrances right here. And this habit is gonna be a big one, especially as summer approaches. Summer's around the corner. And it's the unofficial beginning of summer right now. It's Memorial Weekend. So happy Memorial Weekend. I hope everyone is staying safe and having fun. But as the weather gets warmer and warmer, we do want to develop and keep the habit of hydrating our hair. So if you already have your rose water moisturizer and you are not consistent with using it, get your money's worth and develop a habit. Look at your daily routine and see what you can do to make sure that you use it every day or as often as you want to. Whatever it is that you're deciding for your routine. It's not that we don't want to develop new habits, it's that new habits are hard to develop. So it is important for us to do what we can to boost the chances that we can be consistent with our new habits. Consistency is always hardest in the very beginning. So that's why we need to be diligent with our psychological hacks to make sure that we are consistent. Eventually it'll become second nature, at which point our brain is trained and it comes naturally. But until then, put your rose water next to your perfume or put your Keisha supplement next to your mugs. Whatever you gotta do. Our Keisha is restocked and is available 50% off right now with the code Keisha. So definitely grab your hair, skin, and nail supplement and ramp up your hair care routine this upcoming summer. Stock up for the summer while they're 50% off. And those are available at Keisha.com. And for a limited time, they're available on KeishaCharmaine.com as well. After about a month or so, it becomes second nature. So for the first 21 to 28 days, we want to position ourselves and position our hair care in ways that we're not going to forget and in ways that we're going to prioritize. So I hope this helps. I do want to let you know that our Infinity head wraps are currently buy one get one free, so definitely head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and grab yours. No code needed, just add the multiples to your cart. Remember to pre-order your Love Light and Locks hair care products like the Rose Water Moisturizer, the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil, the Emu Oil Growth Drops, and our Rose Water refills. You can get it in a whole bundle, the Nurture with Nature box that's available for you to pre-order as well. Thank you for watching. Love, Light, and Locks.